Empathy helps in fostering collaboration and trust within teams. Practicing empathy in thought leadership starts with active listening. Today's topic touches on empathy in thought leadership. Empathy is a key trait of effective thought leadership. As a thought leader, your influence extends beyond sharing knowledge or innovative ideas. It involves understanding and connecting with the people you aim to inspire and lead. Empathy, the ability to genuinely understand and share the feelings of others, is what allows you to build this deep connection. Empathy enables you to resonate with your audience. When you take the time to understand their challenges, fears, and aspirations, you can tailor your message to address their needs more effectively. This not only makes your content more engaging, but also positions you as a leader who truly cares about well-being and success of others. Practicing empathy in thought leadership starts with active listening. Engage with your audience, whether it's through social media, speaking engagements, or one-on-one interactions, and listen to what they are saying. Pay attention to both their words and emotions behind them. This understanding will guide you in crafting messages that speak directly to their experiences. Moreover, empathy helps in fostering collaboration and trust within teams. When leading a group, show empathy towards team members, and this can significantly enhance their motivation and commitment. It creates an environment where individuals feel valued and understood, leading to more productive and harmonious collaborations. Therefore, empathy is an essential soft skill which is also a powerful tool that can amplify your impact as a thought leader. By cultivating empathy, you can enhance your ability to lead and to create a lasting positive influence on those you serve. So that was your leadership tip for today. Follow me at Anuradha Khoda on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Check the bio for links as to where you can buy my books. Visit my website to order your signed copy of the book. Contact me through the family media hotlines for group trainings and book club reviews. Have a thoughtful day.